Good morning, everyone. Myself Fuzal Ajaz Khan, roll call 65 from ITC. Let's talk about the ER diagram of hospital management system. Let us understand what ER diagrams are. So, ER diagrams, also known as entity relationship diagrams, are basically the visual representation of the database systems in the backend. They represent the different entities and the relationship between them that exists in the database system. The core components of ER diagrams are entities, attributes, relationships, and cardinality. Let us take a look at them. So entities are basically the real world objects or concepts that exist, like the person, place, animal, thing, etc. And the properties of those entities, like the name, roll call, phone number, ID associated to them, are known as the attributes of entities. Relationships are basically the connection between different entities, like a person studies in college. So a person and a college are entities, whereas the studies is the relationship between them. Cardinality is defining the relationship constraints. So there exist some constraints between relationships. Like one person studies in only one college, but one college has multiple persons, multiple students. So this is basically one type of cardinality. There are multiple types of cardinality which will be discussed later on in detail. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vinayak Yadav and my roll call is 62. Today, I would like to speak on the topic Hospital Management System ER diagram. This diagram represents the entire database structure of the system. It shows how different entities like patient, doctors, medical staff, appointments, prescriptions, billing, and hospital faculties are connected to each other. Each box here is an entity that stores specific information such as patient details, staff information, or appointment records. These lines connecting them represents the flow of data and how these entities interact with each other. Now, moving on the next slide. The slide highlights the main requirement of our hospital management system. The hospital is divided into departments, each managed by a lead doctor. Departments handle multiple treatment plans with unique codes. Every patient has a unique ID, medical history, and insured details. The system records doctor and nurse working hours for each other. Staff members have unique IDs, personal details, and can work across treatment. Finally, the hospital track appointments, surgeries, and medications with proper follow-ups. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's Atharva roll call 63. I will explain steps for creating an ER diagram. First is gather requirements and identify entities. Find the main objects called entities which stores information. Second is to define attributes for each entities. Entities has details and we call them as attributes. And third is it establish relationship between entities. For example, doctor treats patient, patient books appointment, departments has staff. Relationships are drawn in the diagram which lines with lines. Key entities in hospital management. Here are seven main entities. First is department, second is treatment plan, third is patient, fourth is staff, fifth is work assignment, sixth is family member, and seventh is appointment.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ria Katyar and my enrollment number is 64. I'll be discussing about the ER diagram of hospital management system. In our hospital management system, we have identified key entities such as departments, patients, staff, treatment plans, appointments, and family members. Each entity contains important attributes to store essential details. For example, a patient has a unique ID, name, medical history, and contact information, while a department records its name, location, and lead doctor. Relationships connect these entities meaningfully. A department can have many staff and patients, while a patient can follow multiple treatment plans. So the work assignment entity helps manage us the many to many relationship between patients and staff by recording the extra details. Overall, this structure ensures efficient, accurate management of the hospital data and services.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Varsha Yadav, and my enrollment number is 61, and I'm going to talk about the ER diagram. In this diagram, we have visually represented the structure of the hospital management system and made it easier to understand the relationship that exists in this system and how they exist. We have shown the participation constraints too. We also have shown the entities, their attributes, and this makes it easier even for a non technical person to understand the hospital management system easily. And they can just look at the diagram and know how the whole system works. Thank you.
So, in conclusion, I would like to say that the HMS ER diagram efficiently organizes hospital data by defining key entities, their attributes, and relationships. It ensures accurate record keeping, smooth patient care, and better staff coordination. By providing a clear structure for appointments, treatment plans, and administrative tasks, it supports efficient and reliable healthcare management. Thank you.